Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you a quick video tour of a Volvo V50. So this is our 2010 Volvo V50. It's the SE Lux, really low mileage with only 72,000 miles on the clock. It's had two former keepers with the last owning it since 2011. It's got very, very good service history. Whilst in our care, we've given it a service, replaced the all-important cambelt and water pump, had the alloys refurbished, put two new front tyres on, giving it a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in excellent condition for the age and mileage. A couple of tiny little stone chips here and there, but really nothing major. You can see it's really been well looked after over the years. Inside, you've got possibly the comfiest leather seats you're going to find. AM/FM radio, CD player, aux input, memory seats in the front as well, electrically adjustable, power fold mirrors. It's a 6-speed manual, 2-litre diesel. And you can see it's all in very, very good condition in there. Privacy glass in the back. Good bit of legroom. Again, very, very comfortable seats in very nice condition. And you've also got a nice big practical boot to match as well. Very, very tiny motor. Well looked after, low mileage, freshly refurbished alloys, just serviced, cambelt all done. Really, really tidy motor. Ready to go to its new owner. If you like these sort of motors, why not check out our website? And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.